So this is Big, and thank you for coming to our channel today. It's been a while since we did a video because we've been busy. We've been hunting. We've been working on the cabin, on the Ponderosa. But I'm going to make this video because guess what I got for Christmas? The absolute cheapest pistol you can buy at Academy. Is it worth the... So, they're $179. It's a Heritage Rough Rider. Let's open it up. Comes with a little pamphlet on the Rough Rider. Rough Rider Small Bore Instruction Manual. This is Join the NRA today. And a warning label. It came with a fancy little lock. And it came with this guy. This is a 6.5-inch barrel. It's got the Magnum cylinder in it. So it's a Magnum and a long rifle. Pretty cool, huh? We'll see how that works out. I just opened it up for the first time and looked at it. So at Academy, this guy was on sale for Black Friday for $119.99. Ain't too bad. Then I had a $20 coupon, so I got it for 99 bucks. How good can that get? Now, I don't know how good it shoots. I don't know nothing really a whole lot about the little cowboy gun, but it looks cool. And on the next video, maybe we'll plink some targets with it, shoot a little bit. We're not really shooting a whole lot because the deers are outside. That's where Cam's at right now. She's in the stand trying to get one before we leave for the weekend. But it's cool looking. I guess you can replace the... I had to look at the book. We'll figure out how to replace the cylinder, and or maybe we'll just shoot magnums out of it. Can you shoot a 17 HMR through it? That's what I want to know. Can you shoot a mini 17 through it? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. But I mean, it looks good for 100 bucks. How can you go wrong? I know it's not a Ruger, and y'all know I love me some Rugers. But the Ruger was like 300 bucks. Maybe I'll get that next for my birthday. But, let's see. Did it come with anything else? A cylinder, extra cylinder. Got the Magnum cylinder in it. I got plenty Magnum ammo because I do have, I know y'all ain't gonna believe this, I do have a Ruger 10/22 Magnum. So I bought it at the pawn shop as a regular 10/22. When I get home, I realized that the 22 long rifles won't fit in the magazine. Then I looked at it for a second and I'm like, huh, 22 Magnum. I don't think they made them but a couple years. It's probably my pride and joy, 22s. But I want to see if I can shoot a 17 through this. I don't know if you can. Can you? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this little guy. Heritage 6.5-inch barrel. Pew pew. If y'all want to see me do some more unboxing videos, I guess I'm gonna have to buy some more. That's horrible, right? I have to buy some more guns. But that's just a little short video just so we can show y'all that we're still alive and still kicking at the Ponderosa. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way, when we make a new video, you'll be the first to know. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.